Guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Thursday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Guys, whatever Upiki right now is doing to those housemates, it is totally unfair. He's sending them one by one home, guys. And those housemates, they were so excited. They're thinking right now all we need to do is to get rid of Thandeka and Mele. So today, Upiki decided to open the comparison corner, guys. The housemates, they are allowed to go there and discuss who they've been nominating, who they are nominating on their next nomination. Guys, they were given a specific time to discuss. So the second group, it was the Didi, Tracy, and Liema, guys. And I was looking at Didi. I was like, Didi thinks this is a group assignment. So what Didi said, you know what? That in terms of their allowance, she will never nominate each other until three of them are left in the house. Tracy explained why she nominated Umeli and Thandeka. She claimed that she saw that they are nothing without each other. Udidi said she's been nominating both of them because she feels like they understand the game and they are so smart. Uliema said she wished to see if what will happen if those housemates nominate the two guys. Uliema also asked who nominate more. Tracy responded, say they are always sticking with the Tracy, Didi, Liema. They are also included that both of them have always been in alliance. So Udidi claimed that during the nomination they don't nominate the same person. So guys, Udidi and Liema and Tracy, they are saying the best way is to nominate Uthandeka and Umeli, guys. Those two needs to leave, so until they are left, so they don't have a choice, they will nominate to each other. Looking at the Liema's fan base outside, and you want to take Thandeka out and then you want to leave Liema. What are you talking about? So guys, on the next one, Uliema and Tracy and Didi, they call Ashe, Don, King Wanda, and Bravo B, and they were asking, Ashe, who do you nominate? Ashe, he was like the same people. He didn't even want to say. One thing about Ashe, guys, you know very well he has been saying Uguti, and now he doesn't understand why Uliema should go to top 5. He has been saying a lot in Uliema, and you think Ashe will listen to you, Liema? I forget about it, guys. Bravo B, he was just quiet, he didn't say anything, guys. He was talking about Yena. He has been nominating Bravo B, guys. As for King Wanda, he did reveal that Yena has been nominating Thandeka and Q, guys. No, Mele and Q, guys. So now the housemate, they're so excited, Even Big Brother had to cut, guys. He was like, that's enough. I've already given you 20 minutes. And I'm looking at Didi. I'm just like, people have forgotten about Didi, guys. I'm not worried about all the housemates, guys. The person that I'm worried is Didi, guys. Didi, she is very smart. She can play her own game. She's focusing on Liema, hating on Thandeka and Mele. Even though Thandeka, she's always following Mele, guys. Thandeka, she's always trending, guys. Mele, she's always trending. Liema, she's always trending. People have forgotten about Didi, guys. When it comes to Dawn and King Wanda, obviously they are leaving this coming Sunday unless something happens, guys. As for Tracy, Tracy, yes, she's going to top 8, but there's a possibility that she might not survive to go to top 5, guys. Looking at these people, when they found out outside, look at now Ilano, guys. Ilano right now, she's so confused what's happening outside. She never thought Thandeka, she's playing a smart game. Yes, I do understand when Didi says Thandeka, she's playing a smart game. What about Liema? At least to Ashe can see what Uliema he's playing us, At least to Ashe, she understand the game of what I'm not gonna let Liema goes to top 5. I wanna get rid of her. And hopefully on the next nomination, Ashe nominate Uliema, guys, because you cannot allow Liema win unless you guys don't want the 2 million rand. You guys just here for group assignment. You guys are there just to be friends and hating on Thandeka and Mele, because you guys need to play a real game, because you guys are busy focusing. Even Mele and Thandeka, at the end of the day, someone needs to win. You can say Mele, now he's getting tired of Thandeka. Now he's showing his true color. He wants Thandeka. He wants to get rid of Thandeka. He wants all the votes of Thandeka to come to him. People are playing game, and only with Didi who doesn't see that, guys. And I'm worried. At least with Bravo B, he's very smart. He understands the assignment. Last Monday on the nomination, he gave us Don, and he was like, Don, you need to stand up like rest of us. So anyway, guys, let's have a conversation. What do you think about this? Do you think Big Brother, whatever he's doing, opening a comparison corner for the housemate to discuss? And the housemate was so happy to say, wow, we are so happy gonna do this game. I'm looking at them, I'm like, if you knew what is happening, Liema, she's taking the 2 million and she's gonna walk away and she's gonna block all of you. And one thing with Liema, you can tell it personally, Liema, guys. Liema is very smart, trust me. She knows what she's doing. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking yourself out. Bye.